Ready to transform your boring real estate TikToks into legend-generating gold. First things first, tap that plus sign to start a new TikTok. Don't just film, plan. Think about a hook that grabs attention in the first few seconds. We need to stop the scroll. Use TikTok's text feature to add compelling captions. Highlight key features of the property like 3 beds, 2 baths, huge yard. Keep it concise and easy to read. Placement is key. Make sure it doesn't block important visuals. Music is your secret weapon. Browse TikTok's audio library and pick a trending song that matches the vibe of your video. Upbeat music works wonders for showcasing vibrant properties. Filters and effects can elevate your videos. Experiment with different filters to find one that enhances the lighting and color of your footage. Subtle effects can add visual interest without being distracting. Add a voiceover to connect with your audience. Explain the benefits of the property, highlight unique features, and create a sense of urgency. Speak clearly and enthusiastically. Content is king. Offer property tour, neighborhood spotlights, market updates, or answer frequently asked real estate questions. Variety keeps your audience engaged. Don't forget hashtags. Use relevant hashtags like hashtag Realtor Tik, hashtag real estate, and hashtag dream home to reach a wider audience. Research trending hashtags in your local market, and with a clear call to action, tell viewers exactly what you want them to do. Whether it's calling you, visiting your website, or sending you a DM, make it easy for them to connect. So, ditch the dull videos and start creating TikToks that attract viewers and generate leads. Level up your TikToks and watch your real estate business thrive.